Hello everyone, this is Electronic Custom Consoles, and this is another Nintendo Game Boy SP in a DMG case. We have the headphone jack, the original European control buttons, the decals, got the original volume control, external port for charging and original headphone cables, right and left shoulder buttons, removable battery, my new logo, custom made Game Boy Advance SP, wider slot, original switch. We have the brightness, and we have the external port for linking. Now this is an AGS101, so it has the better backlight screen. Let me just quickly demonstrate. We have a knockoff Game Boy game. Switch that on. The left and right triggers work fine. All the buttons work as they are supposed to. Quickly a Game Boy Color game. It's also a knockoff, by the way. Oh, give that a blow. Here we go. Here we go, Game Boy Color game, works fine. And we have, see, the GBA game. We have the headphone jack. Once that's inserted, no sound. So that's more or less it. And it all works like a regular Game Boy Advance SP. So what I like about these triggers is you can press them or with the fingertips or with the middle side of your finger. So when you're playing and holding it in a comfortable position, you can use all the buttons comfortably. The linking port works as well as everything else on the device. I hope the buyer is happy with it, and if you're interested in a device similar like this one, please contact me at electronics@gmail.com. Thank you for watching.